Okay, year nines. Here's our second being careful with integers question. So I'll start by copying this question out and looking for my first step of working. So let's start by getting rid of this 3. So we'll subtract 3 from both sides, and I'll write down 8x equals 12x. And this is where you have to be a little bit careful. Negative 17 minus 3 is negative 20. Okay, if you're not sure, just type it into your calculator and your calculator will tell you. But essentially what we're working out here is like negative 7 minus 3. And that's all you have to do. So that's your first part of being careful with integers. Okay, now we want to get our x's all onto this side. And so I'm going to subtract 12x from both sides. And so once again we have to be careful here because 8x minus 12x is going to be negative 4x. And on the other side we're going to be left with negative 20. So now I'm going to try and get x by itself. So I'm going to do that by dividing both sides by not just 4 but negative 4, because we want to cancel out that negative as well. So negatives cancel out, but the 4's cancel out as well. And so all we're left with underneath is the x. And over here our negatives cancel out, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. And so 5 is our answer for x. Okay, so those are the two examples for showing or illustrating where you need to be very careful with your integers, particularly negative powers. So here's the work to do, exercise 14.14, just do the evens. And if you wanted to do some extension, there's extension there, exercise 14.15.